Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just want to give a really quick review of the original Mighty Patch. These patches have been my secret weapon for fighting acne breakouts, and I think the best way to show their effectiveness is to actually show them in use. So, as you can see, I currently have quite a bit of acne going on my face, and also one on my arm. So, I'm going to be applying these patches and letting you guys see for yourself how effective they are after one day. When you open the box, this is what one sheet of Mighty Patches looks like. As you can see inside, it has multiple sheets. Here's what the acne looks like on my forehead and my mouth, and also on my arm right here before applying the patches. Put all the patches on all the major spots now. I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep and show y'all what it looks like in 6 to 8 hours. All right, so I forgot to record in the morning. So instead of it being about 8 hours, it's been more like 24 hours. But as you can see, my acne has healed a lot in just one day of using the patches. The acne over here has been reduced to a pink spot and all the white gunk is gone. The acne that was previously here is gone. The one here is almost gone. The one on my mouth is also healed quite a lot, and the one on my arm is almost completely healed. There's a very small dot, but you can't really see it anymore. So the more and more you apply these patches, the more and more your acne will be healed. So pick up some of these today and start healing your acne.